Touchpoint Disinfectant Cleaning. The coronavirus, aka COVID-19, has been sweeping across the world and more recently our nation. The United States is getting hit hard by COVID-19 virus, with new coronavirus cases exponentially increasing each day. People are told to stay at home unless absolutely necessary. But there are still some industries and jobs that require their employees to come to work. For those who still need to go into work and are in need of office cleaning and disinfecting services in Los Angeles, Clean Care Services can help you. We use an approved EPA hospital-grade disinfectant for use against COVID-19. We are now offering a brand new antimicrobial alternative to our Touchpoint cleaning services. We offer electrostatic spraying and ULV fogging to help protect your facility. Our number one priority is to keep your employees and customers feeling safe. Contact us today for a free estimate to sanitize and disinfect your facility.